Alright, if you guys have this EG4 inverter, I specifically have the 3000 watt, and if you're getting a ground fault, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So step number one is to obviously unscrew all the screws and take off the top. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. If you have a UPS and you look over here, it says building wiring fault. Conveniently, if you actually plug this in, which is plugged in just, directly here, this tells me that I have a fault. Now another way to test it is to take your voltmeter, put it on AC, and we're just going to meter the wires. So we can do it at the panel simply because this is your neutral and then this is your ground. So if you look at the voltmeter, we're getting 53 volts. Hold it there. And if we switch over to line and ground, we're getting 67 volts. Okay? So let me show you what I found to be a solution. Now, tech support will not tell you to do this. They will actually tell you to do some other grounding. So they basically want you to ground their system into your house outlet, which kind of defeats the purpose. If you're trying to be off grid, you don't have a secondary panel that may or may not be grounded. So do this at your own risk, but I found out how to fix this. So I'm going to quickly show you the pins. You take that screw right there, and if you look at it, it actually has the little grounding picture there, and then you're going to put it into that hole right there. Now if you look at it, it's kind of a coincidence, but it looks like there was a screw there that they took out, because you can look around, there's other screws that are missing, like right there, but it looks like there was never a screw. There was also one there, but that one looks like there was a screw and they removed it for whatever reason. But the point of the story here is we're just going to go ahead and get rid of this building fault, which is the not so good thing. So let me show you. I'll do it real quickly here. Obviously you want to be careful, follow all the typical procedures, but let me show you what I found works. Hold it there. Screwdriver about 4 inches long. You go right through here and it actually reaches that right there. So we're going to unscrew that carefully. Now I did magnetize my tip, so there we go, I'm sliding it out very carefully. Now if you look, we still have the fault, right? Now let's go back here. We're going to slide this into the other pin. I'm going to just point it just a little bit more. It's a little tricky because everything is actually turned on, so you got to be careful. Nice and tight, and our light is off. So now let's go ahead and meter this real quick. Hold that for me. So we'll do the same exact test. We will meter up here. We'll put on the line and ground, and now we have no voltage, so 15 millivolts. And then we'll do line and ground, and we're getting 120 volts. So whether that's a good thing or not, it does get rid of the ground fault. So at this point you should probably ground your panel. But that's how you solve that mystery. Hopefully this helps somebody out there, and as always, be careful.